Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to unmute mic from system settings and quickly fix your microphone issues with a few simple steps. First, search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar. This is where you can access all system-related settings on your PC. Next, click on Control Panel from the list of search results. It should open a new window with different categories. Now select the option that says Hardware and Sound. This section manages all your devices like audio, printers, and more. After that, click on the Sound option under this category. It helps you configure both playback and recording devices. Then move to the Recording tab on the new window. This tab lists all the input devices, like microphones, connected to your system. Look for your microphone in the list and double-click on it. This opens the microphone's properties and lets you change settings. Inside the Properties window, click on the tab named Levels. This tab controls the volume and mute status of your microphone. Finally, check the mute icon in this section and unmute your microphone if it's muted. Once unmuted, your mic should start working properly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tips.